What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage here today. Got another one here for you, the 2016 Nissan Rogue. You're probably saying, what the hell, Joe? Well, it's different than the 17 Rogue, like my white one. This is the rental car for the 2011 that I did a video on a couple of weeks ago that had the bad CVT shutter. It is at the Nissan dealership having a new transmission put in it, all courtesy of CarMax. Yes, they stand behind their warranty. I knew they would. But this is a loaner vehicle that they loan out to people when their cars are whatever in for repair. So this is a 2016. It's kind of like a slate blue color. It's really a cool color. I like it. But as you can see, it has the pre-17 facelift. This is the body style that came out in 14, 15, 16. Got a refresh in 17 with new headlights and the big V grille. Plus it got newer tail lamps. So this is an SV all-wheel drive. It's got brand new tires on it. It's really clean for a 16. I will certainly say it's a hell of a lot cleaner than our 2017. The color combination is makes for a better. Got your power tailgate, all very good. Oh yeah, this thing's clean as a pin. It's missing the little shelves, unless they're under here. Nope, doesn't have any. Missing the little shelving system that you're supposed to get with this. Let's take it for a short test drive. Got brand new rubber on it. It's got your typical Nissan key fob here. Oh man, this thing is spotless. But the black does help. Got the car seat thrown in there. Okay, as you can see right off the bat, this has the 14 steering, 15, 16 steering wheel. It does have the premium package, but I guess it didn't come with a heated steering wheel back then. But it does have the same display, climate control. The gear shift is different. R17 is upgraded, not quite as large, it's much smaller. Cup holders are the same. Heated seats. This example has 49,800 miles, so just a few miles more than our 17. Let's start her up. Runs pretty good. Yeah. Put a full tank of gas in there for him too. Shoot, yeah, baby. This thing sounds good. Let's take it for a quick spin around the block. I want to see if I can tell a difference in a 16 CVT versus my 17 CVT. Get some AC going. Good grief, I'm hot. Of course, this one has the backup camera with the 360 bird's eye. This car is really clean on the inside for 16. I'm very impressed. Super clean. What a clean car. I like it that it's all-wheel drive too. I wish I would have sprung an extra $2,000 or so and gotten all-wheel drive on ours. I mean, not like we'd ever use it, but you know, it is nice for security reasons. Oh yeah, this thing drops really good. It reminds me a lot of the 17. Not much difference at all. I'm just really surprised at how damn clean this car is. Man, this is a clean Rogue. Not a scratch on the interior anywhere. Nice blinker, gotta love it. All-wheel drive lock, so I guess you can lock the hubs, lock the diff, and make it full-time all-wheel drive instead of part-time. We'll do this a little quick 0 to 60. Still filming with the iPhone SE. Sorry, guys. Oh, yeah. Shifts just like our 17. Not a bit different. Got some get up and go, too. I don't give a damn what they say. I actually can tell a difference in the way the all-wheel drive seems to handle versus a 17 two-wheel drive, or just a two-wheel drive period. This car seems a little more agile. I can feel the extra grip. I mean, to have almost 50,000 miles on it, this thing, shoot, it's like a brand new one. Okay, this is just a little short take. 2016 Nissan Rogue SV all-wheel drive, 49,806 miles. Y'all have a great day. Like, comment, subscribe. I respond to all comments. So drop a like and a comment. And if you like just short little videos of just random cars, go ahead and subscribe. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for stopping by. Peace.